Hi, this is Rachelle with Journal Life's Journey, and I am back after a brief hiatus. Today, I was inspired to do a little busy work in the craft lab. I have this super matte Mod Podge that I've previously used on my other channel, SCRAPCRAFTASTIC. I'm still not sure if I really like it, so I'm going to use it for this. And I'm going to create a masterboard just of scraps that have been laying around my general area. This long piece is about 5 by, I think, 26. And it's a piece of packaging that was in a little overnight bag that I picked up. So I'm going to use this as a base for a masterboard that will eventually be turned into journaling cards and tags. As you can see, it's craft colored on the other side, and I'm sure I'll end up backing this with something, but these are just a few scraps that were laying around. I'm sure I'll probably need more to supplement this, but I'm going to start with these, and then I'll eventually dig into my happy scraps to finish filling it out. Just for reference, this is what happy scraps kind of look like once they're used. I don't think I recorded this, but these are index cards that I used happy scraps on, and I think I used a regular Mod Podge for these. So we will also be coming back to make some journaling cards and tags with these as well. But it's a good way to use up scraps. What I did, I'll try and find the original video where I got the idea for this. What I did was put all of my scraps in a container and just spray them with different sprays and kind of scrunch them all up, spray them, and then this is kind of the effect that you get. This was not that. These were just offcuts from papers that I dyed. So that's what these are, not happy scraps. Okay. So, but these are examples of what you can do with masterboards. All of these are on 3x5 index cards though. And let me show you what the actual happy scraps look like. So this is the happy scraps. This is all scraps of paper from offcuts from things that I've made. And like I said, I just put them all in a box or a bin and sprayed them with different color sprays. So for instance, this has like a silvery blue look to it. I'm not sure this one really got a good spray, but this was stamped, an example of where I was sampling some stamps. It's more blue, it's got a little pink on it. So yeah, you get the general idea. So again, I will supplement these scraps with those scraps. And I think this is a sticker, a washi sticker. Yeah. So I'm gonna start. I probably should put something underneath this and start with this clear packaging to see how that works. And I'm just using an old brush from Dollar Tree. And let's get started. Guess I should have took this out because that's yuck. I do have silicone mats that I could use, but yeah, not using one right now. All right, so that's everything glued down, and that's what it looks like. I'm gonna let it dry, trim it up, and then I'll probably come back and add a little washi to it. And then we'll move on from there. Okay, I'm back. This is mostly dry. I haven't trimmed anything because it's not 100% dry. Plus, I pulled these washies that I am going to play around with. Kind of limited myself to these 5. And let's see what we can do. I'm just going to use my glue stick for the washi just to make sure that it sticks. I think I've added enough washi. Let's go ahead and trim this up now. I have these planner sticker books. On my other channel, I've been trying to use some of my planner supplies to make journal supplies. I have these pulled out for a video for over there, but since I have them out, I'm going to use some of the stickers on this masterboard and see what we can come up with for that. So let's flip through and see what can be used. Not very much in here that I want to use. Let's see, because I don't think I'll be using these in many other places because of offset color. So let's see if I can make these work. All right, so that is where we are. I'm not going to do any stamping or stenciling on these. I'm just going to go ahead and cut it up. I'm going to cut it up in a combination of journal cards and tags, I think. So let me get my paper trimmer. This could be a card, some tags. So some of that didn't cut very clean because it's probably still wet. Might be a little too thick for my trimmer, but can clean it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the corner chopping on the ones that will be tags. I'm not sure that I want to even add anything to them. I kind of like the way they look, just the way they are. These will be some skinny tags. What I think I'm going to do, should I round these? I think I'll round these. I'll use the medium round on this one. Let's use the small round on this one. I think I prefer the small rounding. Then on these, let's do the specialty, which I probably should have waited to punch these until I put the backing on, actually. I think I'm going to leave this one. So this goes this way. I think I can use this one this way. 'Cause I don't want all of them to be horizontal. And usually when I make a journal card, it ends up being horizontal. Am I going to stitch these? This one can be horizontal. Maybe not. This is a little dull up here. What can I put to bring it some life up top there? All right, I really like these tags. These are a little dull to me. I'm not sure what I can do to spruce them up, but I'm thinking maybe I can use some of my gold foil rub-ons from Dollar Tree. So let me grab those and see what we can do to liven these up a little bit. Okay, here's my rub-ons. I'm just gonna pull some out. I don't know if I want to use foil or flats. Let's see what we got to work with here. So all of these are from Dollar Tree. Let's deal with the ones that are open first. All right, so this isn't sticking very well. All right, so those rub-ons don't work that great. I don't know if it's the surface that I'm putting them on, but it still gives that grungy, antiqued look, so I'm okay with it, and it just adds a little something to the piece. So I guess I won't. I don't think I'm gonna use these. Let's try it. I think these on the tissue paper work better. Yeah, I mean, I could have done a better job, but those work better. So these are good. Let's see if I can use one of these roses. Those came out nice. That comes. Messed that up. I think that's enough. I was having a little bit too much fun with those. Okay, so I didn't put any on these cards. I don't think I need to. just those few tags. I didn't even really need to put any on all of the tags. It was mainly these two. I just got carried away. But they look nice. So these are basically ready to go. They can be backed, inked up, and embellished a little bit more, depending on where I choose to use them. But that's it. I just wanted to use up some scraps that have been laying around. They have a pretty decent color scheme that can work almost anywhere. I could even go over this a little bit with a little white gesso to push the color back if I choose to, or just the extra layer of a napkin to push the color back. I'm not really interested in pushing the color back, but that is an option. So, but that is what these are looking like. And all of this is scraps, washi tape, so a few rub-ons, but the base is just some packing that came in a little pouch that I purchased. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you would like to see how I finish these off, let me know in the comments below. But I'm sure you will be seeing these in upcoming projects. I'm basically building my stash at the moment. So I will be doing a lot of ephemera and embellishment pieces over here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll holla at y'all next time. Bye.